Okay, so this video is not going to be very easy for me, but I need to tell you something. I am broke at the moment. Because I bought all these watches, yeah. We have here right now in front of us everything what I bought in 1 week, yeah. In this video I'm going to show you the new watches of the week, and we have in front of us a lot of new watches. That's why I just focus on the ones which are, let's say, pretty new. First time I have them in stock. We are going to talk about Breitling, Rolex, Cartier, and all these kind of brands, but mainly we have Rolex watches in front of us. And at first I want to begin with a really special one. It's this one right here. We have a day date, completely full set. Even the box is with the original stickers. So this watch comes really full set. We have, of course, the original box, the watch with the sticker on the back, a factory setting on the bezel and the dial. If we take a closer look, we also see it comes with box and papers, some kind of pocket square, I don't know if it's a pocket square or handkerchief. And then we have also down here one organizer. This watch is really special. I have to tell you, as a, let's say, watch expert, I don't get often this completely full set. And personally, I think if you're looking for a gold watch, this is the perfect way to go. I mean, look at the stiffness of the bracelet. Wow, he didn't wear this watch a lot. So this is the first watch where we are going to start in this video. And as a next stop, we are moving on to Breitling. Yeah, this one is a Navitimer Montbrillant. We see that the hands are in rose gold. Personally, I'm not a big fan of Breitling, but nevertheless, I bought this watch because personally, I like the appearance. I just like the dial in combination with the rose gold hands. It comes also full set, has a nice size, is not too big. We have box, papers, a hang tag, everything mixed together, and all this you can buy for less than 5,000 euros. So I would not have a problem. Take this watch back in case this will be your first and you want to step up the game. Of course, we have also all the Datejust models, and let me just tell you one thing, okay? This Datejust watches 16234 and also the steel version. I will not get the watches for this price again. So there will be a price moving up. I'm telling you this. So in case you want one of these, the price under 6,000 euro, it will not be possible in the near future. We have every dial available with box and papers or without. It depends what are your possibilities. And if you want to buy this watch, be sure that you don't do anything wrong. So in case you want to sell it again, you will plus minus get your money back if you wait a little bit longer in time. Of course, if we are staying now with the Rolex Datejust, we got some new dials available, inspired from the original Oyster Perpetual 41mm watches. We have here for you right now the Datejust 41mm with a green Rolex green dial. Just looks beautiful, and in comparison we can give you all different colors available for 36mm and also in 41mm. We have the rose, and also the red one is really strong for the summer. There are all possibilities, so you can choose between all these different possibilities. They have a modern twist. And in case you are buying one of these colorful dials and you send me one email that you saw this video, I'm going to give you one silver dial for free for your order. So you can choose between the colorful dial and also this plain silver dial. I think this is a great combination, and just for the subscribers and viewers of my channel. If we now move on to the next brand, this is the first time I have this watch in my hand. It's a Cartier Santos. What they changed is they put on a ceramic bezel. So this is a really good thing. In the past, when I bought back the Santos models, this high polished bezel always got scratched, okay? So this is a nice combination. You can change also the bracelet. Let me show it to you. Including in this whole package is also a rubber bracelet. So for the summer or for the vacation, you can change just the strap like this, and then you have a whole different watch in black on the rubber strap. It even, I mean, for me it looks more nicer. So you can choose between these two, and the price for this watch is, I think, under 7,000 euro. If you want a modern watch, they also include the folding clasp. What a hell of a package. So this one is my recommendation in case you're looking for your first watch and you want to have a modern, not a vintage watch, check out this one. Now let's go a little bit back in history. I have new Submariner and Pepsi GMT-Master models. This one is one of them, Pepsi with box and papers 16701. Yeah, this is one model which I always recommend. The price at the moment is between 12,000 and 13,000 euro in full set, and this is really something you should look at, okay? In case you like this kind of watch and you don't have a problem with the bracelet moving like this and not so massive, then check out this one. On the other hand, also equipped with the second time zone is the Explorer II. This watch retails in second hand for 8,900 euro. No one has it on their radar, and I'm pretty sure that this watch will also crack the 10,000 euro mark. If you are a more bigger guy, 42 millimeter, this is the way to go. I could run this video, let's say, for 1 hour. We have so many new watches. I want to show you also, for example, this Mickey Mouse dial with diamonds, maybe the perfect gift for your girlfriend or for your wife. Of course, we have the Arabic dials like this navy blue one in the sunlight. I had it on Sunday on my wrist. Magnificent dial. And then the next stop will be another brand. Yeah, it's Audemars Piguet. We have back in stock the 15202. This watch comes with the service by Audemars Piguet. That's why the condition is almost like new. Then we have box papers and the full documentation. And if you take a look, the condition of the watch is just perfect. So believe it or not, this watch moved up in price. Now it's over 50,000 euro, and in the near future, I always said it, also 12 months ago, I said that it will crack the 60,000 euros soon. But now is the time, so better be quick and check out this watch. The most expensive watch on the table is unfortunately not for sale, but nevertheless I wanted to show it to you. This one is the Skeleton Double Balance. I'm chasing this watch since almost 3 years, and right now I finally got it, but I don't want to sell it. And I'm so happy that I have this watch right now in my collection. Beautiful watch. And this is almost it for now. If you want something, then just go on the website. There's just one thing I want to show you, yeah? I don't know if I want to sell these watches. I got 3 Datejust models with the full documentation, and it's not so easy. Same like for the day date, but of course in this price range, most of the clients, they just throw away the papers. And we have here, for example, Datejust 36 millimeter in steel and gold with the original hang tag, matching serial number. Then the organizer, the booklet from the year of the production, also the print date is matching. Then we have the card holder, box, papers, and also on the box we have the correct reference number. Yeah, all this together, it's just a beautiful set. In case you have something like this at home, or you bought some set like this, please don't sell it. Yeah, just keep it for the next generation. For me, it's so hard to find these pieces, and yeah, that's why I'm not sure if I sell them. If so, you will see them on the website. So we are at the end of this video. In case you like this content, please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and all the watches are linked in the description. And then I would say I see you guys probably next time.